before we get into the video, I have to introduce my co-star of the day. This is the mummy that lives in my house. It doesn't have a name, but it just hangs out here where I'm filming right now, and I don't want to move it. I feel like that could give me a curse. Oh yeah. Yeah. Hi everyone, and welcome to today's video. It's currently August 30th, so it's almost September. Fall's right around the corner. It's beginning to get colder, everything is a bit more cozy, and it's back to school season. So I thought I would kind of combine all of these things in a video that obviously has to do with fall fashion. So this year I kind of wanted to focus on re-wearing things that I already own and already have in my closet, rather than going out and buying a whole new fall wardrobe like I've done in the past years. So this video is going to be kind of a capsule wardrobe kind of video, because I'm going to be showing you my favorite fall pieces that I already own. I kind of want to show you how I wear them and how I keep re-wearing them without it being too repetitive, even though outfit repetition is not a sin. So anyways, I'm basically going to be showing you the outfits that I will be rocking all fall long. Yeah, I hope you enjoy this video and maybe you'll get some inspiration from it, and let's just get right into it. So I'm in the first outfit, and as you can tell, I'm already wearing 3 of my staple pieces. Starting off with the boots. I love them. I've been getting so many compliments on them. I'm not even joking. A girl came up to me in the city and like asked me where I got them from, and I was like, thank you. I was like, oh my god. But these are ASOS. I already know that I will be wearing these a lot because ever since I got them, I've been wearing them like every single day. I'm not even joking. Yeah, so the boots are ASOS. You will be seeing them in a bunch of outfits today. These shorts are Zara, and I can show you the detailing. They have like a little, what is this called? There's like they're belted and they have this overlapping thing. So that's cute because it brings a bit of like texture and structure into the outfit, and it puts like a focus on the waist, especially if you're wearing a top that's a bit tighter than this, which is also something I've been wearing with everything. Because right now the weather is weird because you can wear summer outfits but you have to bring a jacket or a sweater. So I've been bringing this one along, which I stole from my dad. So it's like this oversized wool sweater, and it's super comfortable and soft and warm. This is so simple, but literally this is such a look for me. I don't know why. I kind of feel a bit like a schoolboy, to be honest, like a British little rugby player. Or like I'm about to go ride some horses, or like, do you know what I mean? Do you see that as well, or am I insane? I don't know. And I already know that once it gets a bit colder, I'll be able to wear this outfit with tights and still be warm, and then just put a jacket over it, maybe like a trench or one of my fur coats, and it'll still be like a cute go-to outfit. On to the second outfit, which is not really even a second outfit. I'm just wearing a different pair of shorts, and it already makes a difference. As you can tell, these have like gold buttons, and that just adds like a whole different vibe to the outfit, especially with the sweater like tucked in like this and the buttons out. It's also still very equestrian, even more equestrian than the first one, I think, and quite preppy, but that's just, fall fashion for me is just preppy looks, to be honest. But it's a whole different outfit already, and all I did was change out the shorts, and I wear these shorts in different combinations as well. So that's another staple item I have, is just these shorts with the gold details, because they're still the same vibe, like they're still the same style, but like a bit different. So that's like a really easy way to change your outfit and not repeat the outfit. If it's a bit colder, what I would do is just put like a button up under this, which I will do. Give me 1 second. So here we have that, which again is such a different look. Do you see that? Like, doesn't this give you school uniform vibes as well? And now the buttons are covered, so you can't even tell that it's the same shorts. And I mean, you could kind of crop the sweater, or even put the shirt, tuck it in. You can do so many things with this look. See, that's a whole different vibe as well. You get the vibe, you get what I'm doing is just adding layers, making it more fall appropriate, literally wearing my summer clothes, but in a fall kind of way. I really like that you can see the shirt under the sweater, but I know that my mom, for example, would find that super messy looking, but I kind of like that it looks so boyish. It's just giving me boarding school vibes again, and I love that because I used to have a school uniform, so I'm kind of always comfortable in wearing uniform type clothing. I actually really like this outfit right now. I'm gonna wear this very soon. Alright, so this is another outfit where I am wearing a summer dress. Let me show you. So this is just a really cute long sleeve bodycon dress. I wear this like to parties or to go out. I bought this to go clubbing, but that didn't really happen in this dress yet. You can wear heels with it, obviously. You can wear sneakers with it, or in the colder months, you can wear boots. I did not lie when I told you I was obsessed with them, because I would wear these with anything. I haven't worn them with like wide jeans yet, but I feel like that could work as well. We'll see. But as I said, I always carry a sweater around with me. So again, my dad's sweater plus the dress and the boots. Boom! There you go. Very simple evening outfit, I would say. And then just like a cute bag with it and like, yeah, perfect. I think you could even, if you wear like a blazer over this, let me get my blazer. Hold up, hold up. Now it's a school outfit. I don't know if you have a dress code. I mean, you could pull the dress down a bit more, but add a blazer, might want to add like a little scarf, like a silk scarf. That could be cute. And then the dress again, of course, and a school bag. And that's a school outfit, a uni outfit. I would literally go to school like this. I think this could be really cute. Now I'm out of breath from running to get my blazer, but yeah, so I feel like adding blazers over any outfit makes it a bit more school appropriate. So that's what I did here, even though you can't even tell because it's so black. I wear too much black. Black is a fall color, so that's fine. Yep. Outfit number, is this 3 or 4? I'm not sure, but yeah, it's cute. I love it. Alright, so I retired the all black and the boots for this outfit. So this is obviously a bit more summery because it isn't all white, but I just wanted to show you that wearing monochromatic outfits is such a look, even if it's just the simplest pieces. Like, so I'm wearing Air Forces, and then these are, I forgot what brand they are, but I will put it on the screen, of course. And then just a crop top, and you know the concept, you know the drill, you always need a sweater over your shoulders. It will make you look a bit like a golfer. But I think it's cute, and it's preppy, and it will keep you warm if you're cold. And also, I am matching the mummy, which is great. I used to be the kind of person who was scared of wearing white, especially white pants, because I had a very traumatic event in like middle school where I spilled food all over my white pants and I had to walk around school all day in like messy pants. But I got these jeans in spring, and I have actually been wearing them so much, and I love them a lot. I think they're so nice, and the fit and cut and everything is so nice. They are a bit big now, but I don't mind. Like, I love the baggy fit. I love that. And they're so flattering and so cute, even in the fall and winter time. Like I said, monochromatic outfits are such a go-to for me, especially white and then black, obviously. And then beige is also really cute, like wearing a full beige outfit, or brown, but I don't like brown on me. But yeah, if you have brown hair, I think brown could look so cool on you. Yeah, so that was outfit number 5. I actually have not been counting, but this is another outfit that I really like. Okay, so I just put this on, and this might be a little this might be a little extreme, but I'm wearing this little tennis skirt, which looks a lot like a school uniform skirt, especially with the blazer and the like polo shirt. But hear me out. Like this, it looks kind of frumpy, right? It's a bit bland. It's just a random blazer and a tennis skirt and boots. So this is literally a school uniform. This is literally what I had to wear for uniform, basically. Only I was not wearing like a Zara crop top as a uniform, but this is cute. Do you know what I mean? You take the blazer off and it's already a whole different thing. And then we have this bad boy, and we put that over our shoulders, and all of a sudden it's a whole different vibe. And then we tie this, and now it looks like we just got back from lunch at the country club. This is already so much cuter than the blazer, and if you were to wear this with sneakers, that would look even better, because then you kind of really are playing with the the tennis vibe of it rather than the schoolgirl vibe. So what I'm saying is you can have something as random as a like uniform skirt, and all of a sudden it's cute if you just dress it up a bit differently. Cute. Cute. I don't know what I'm doing in this video. This video is literally just me playing dress up in front of a mirror and filming it. It's kind of weird, but here we have it. I call this look coming back from lunch at the country club, and this is that. Alright, so this is obviously a very simple outfit, but what makes it a bit more special are the pants, which are these beautiful fake leather pants that I always wear. I wear these a lot, especially in the fall time because they are a bit more warm than jeans. I wear them too much probably. I feel like everyone has seen me in these. And then again, I'm wearing this blazer on top that I thrifted, and then a random crop top. Of course, you can wear these with literally anything. Like you can wear them with a hoodie or a sweater. You can wear them with the blouse and the sweater combo. You can wear them with anything, and it'll be a whole new outfit just by adding these pants, because they're a bit more fancy than just normal jeans, and they're not like, they're less boring. So yeah, I just wanted to show you these pants as well. Alright, that was it for this video. I know it was kind of messy and literally just me trying on my clothes and like sharing how I would style them. If you like these kinds of videos where it's just me playing dress up and filming it and talking about the clothes I'm wearing, then let me know in the comments down below. And thank you for watching, and follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!